everyone, welcome to Japanese IRL Fusawashi Fridays, where I'll be introducing a Japanese word or phrase that I've heard in real life. Kushami is a sneeze, or sneezing. Kushami is written in hiragana and sometimes katakana, and it does have its own kanji, but I've never seen it in IRL, so into the show notes it goes. Kushami ga ojisan mitai ni okikatta. Hazukashi. My neighbor, the sneezer, sometimes his sneezes are so loud that I think he's being murdered. It's weird. This is me during hay fever season. Hanamizu to kushami ga tomaranaishiし頭も痛いし風邪かなあ、Kushami janai, akubi. I would love to see your examples or experiences with Kushami in the comments section below. What is your Kushami style? Also, the show notes are available in the description box for your convenience. So please come back every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and now Saturdays too for more Japanese IRL. And also please be sure to check out JennySilver.Tokyo for more. Thank you for watching. Bye!